So this is my response to stage 4. So stage 4 basically asks, what are some of the basic concepts that comprise the philosopher's theory, and to what extent are these concepts aligned with your peers' response to the case study? So to go more in depth, it asks, do the philosopher's concepts support the peers' response? If so, how? And do any of the philosopher's concepts challenge or call into question what your peer says? And if so, how? So if we go back here to the discussion board, one second. So I responded to my peer Jacqueline Valverde, and to respond, I said that I agree with your viewpoint of fighting through the situation. However, we must go back to Aristotle's beliefs on morals and values. I feel as though Sophie just had to go with what she believed was morally correct. However, I feel as though Aquinas would disagree with your opinion. He would state that your opinion should be based on proper authority. However, I feel as though we should go with what truly makes us happy, what we feel in our soul is right. So, how I correlate Aristotle's beliefs with Jackie's opinion, she said that I would have said that my children and I are of the same religion of the Nazis, and since I'll be placed in a situation of life and death, not only myself but children as well. So I'm sure that Sophie would not have felt right in her soul to let her children pass away because of the Nazis. So I feel as though this goes well with Aristotle's beliefs because he feels that whatever you feel in your heart is right to do, or whatever you've been taught to do, and whatever you've been taught that is good for your soul, that is what you should do. And also, to go along with what Aquinas would believe, he believes that he'll probably believe that the Nazi officer, like whatever he was doing, whatever he's telling Sophie to do, that she would just have to go with the rules and live with it. So her children may have had to pass away, or she would have had to choose her children over herself, or herself over her children. And to conclude, I agree with Aristotle's beliefs because I am a very spiritual person. I feel as though whatever I've been taught is right. That's the only thing that I should believe on because that is what I feel will result in a happy life. Thank you. Thank you for listening.